Everyone, welcome back. If you are oldie but a goodie, if you're brand new, my name is Makeda and I want to wish everyone a happy new year. I want to say a huge thank you to everyone that has been rocking with me from the beginning, has supported me in any kind of way, social media, my businesses. I so appreciate all of you and it doesn't go unnoticed. I'm so thankful for this community and I am wishing a prosperous new year for us all. I wanted to kick off the new year with you guys with a fun little video, and I'm so excited because this video is sponsored by my good friends over at Dossier. Dossier is a fragrance company that supplies luxury fragrances and candles at an affordable price. They are helping everyone be able to have a taste of luxury fragrances without breaking the bank. They are doing the good work, okay? So definitely go into my description box. My link is there with an extra coupon code for you guys, because we love to smell good, we love to look good on a budget, and Dossier is that girl. So thank you, Dossier. I love you guys. Happy New Year to the Dossier family. I hope you guys have an amazing year. And yeah, so in today's video, I am going to share my top 5 secret tips that is going to help you elevate your look. If you want to feel a little bit more confident, or if you just want to elevate how you're styling your pieces, these 5 tips will definitely help you. So let's get into it. So my first tip on looking luxurious on a budget is to invest in quality pieces. Quality over quantity. You are going to save a lot more money because you only have to buy something once instead of buying something 5 to 10 times. So I think it's so important to invest in quality pieces that are going to last you, so you're not constantly repurchasing, because that does add up. So you are saving coins, and when the piece is more of quality, you really see that in the outfit. It looks a lot more sleeker, the material is better, so it's just overall going to elevate how you look and give you that luxurious look, but you're on a budget, okay? And my second secret tip on how to look luxurious without spending the fortune. So it is so important to mix your highs and lows. Example, this picture of me, I am wearing designer shoes, which I invested a little bit more because I have noticed that my designer shoes last a lot longer and they feel a lot more comfortable on my feet. These shoes are from Vautier, and then I paired it with a Makeda black dress, which is from my boutique, and a pair of Makeda sunglasses, which is also from my boutique. The dress is less than 50 bucks, I believe. The sunglasses is about 10 to 15 bucks, and then we have the designer shoes. So I look like $1 million, but I did not spend $1 million. I had the shoes, and then I just purchased the 2 items from myself, and baby, you are gonna look phenomenal. So you don't have to be in designer from head to toe. Like, really invest in quality pieces and then mix and match what you already have. You have a dress from Zara, but then you have a nice bag and a nice shoe, high and low. Don't be afraid to go to the thrift store and find an amazing blazer that's inexpensive, but then you already have the pants, you have the shoes, and then you have the bag. So mix and match your highs and lows, and I promise you, your bank account will be thanking you, and everyone around you would be like, girl, you look so bomb. So mix your highs and your lows. So number 3 is invest in quality pieces. Even if you are spending a little bit more for these classic pieces, you are going to get your money's worth because you are going to wear them time and time over, and you'll have them for years to come, and you don't have to repurchase them. So that's why I always say invest in quality pieces and invest in classic pieces that are timeless. For example, I bought this Poplum top from Zara. It was about 35 to 40 bucks, and literally I've worn this top so many times, and it was only 30 to 40 bucks. It's not that pricey, but the quality is great, and it's a classic piece. So I know I'm going to get my money's worth out of it, because I spent maybe a few extra bucks than going to another store that might sell it for $15, that it's super thin. After I wash it a few times, after I wear it a few times, it is to shreds. So it's a classic piece. I'm going to get to wear it many times, and I have worn it many times. Another example is these black slacks. I got these from Zara as well. These are men's styles pants. I can wear them to work, I can wear them out, I can wear them shopping, and I paired it with a trendy top. Am I going to wear this top forever? Probably not. Am I going to wear these pants long term? Of course, because they are a pair of black pants that I got tailored to me. So invest in classic pieces. Denim jacket, a nice pair of jeans, a nice button up, a nice pair of black pants, a nice pair of white pants, nude, like things like that. Invest in classic pieces that are going to last you a lifetime. So my number 4th tip is to accessorize. I am someone that I don't love a lot of fandangles. I will tell you that off the rip. I'm like, a lot of necklaces, a lot of bracelets, I think it's because my frame is so small that sometimes it looks a little bit overwhelming. I like very dainty, jewelry, but it really can elevate your look. From a pair of sunglasses, for example, this denim on denim look, I absolutely loved it, but then I said, okay, it needs a little pop. I popped on a pair of Tom Ford sunglasses, my little bag, and this look was a look. Okay, then number 2, I had this black dress from Makeda, and then I'm like, okay, let's add a pair of sunglasses, and then let's add a bag, and it just really set off the look. So a pair of sunglasses can go a long way, and that's why if you don't want to spend a lot of money on designer clothes, you can invest in quality sunglasses. And also you can just buy a pair of sunglasses that look amazing. So from a bag to your shoes to your sunglasses to your jewelry, just accessorize with your outfit. It really will elevate your look and just take it to the next level. And number 5, last but not least, is to take care of your clothes. I know it sounds so simple, but really take care of your clothes, whether that is buying a designer t-shirt. Do not just throw that bad boy in the wash. Take it to the dry cleaners. Look at the directions on how to properly care for your clothes, whether that is iron, let it dry. Do not put it in the dryer. There's so many different things when it comes to fabrics and taking care of your clothes. When you take care of your clothes, it's going to last a lot longer. You won't have to repurchase that item. If you take proper precaution on caring on your item as well, it will last you a lifetime. So I hope these 5 tips were super helpful for you guys on helping you how to look like $1 million without spending a fortune. And please remember, it's not about how much money you're spending on your clothes, it's about how you put yourself together. So I hope these tips were helpful. I love you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. And please leave your tips down below so I can check them out as well. And don't forget to thumbs up this video. I love you guys, and have an amazing new year. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Money, money, money.